Let's see if we can go even faster.
Yeah.
My life.
Welcome back to Puppet Review Stuff. Now today we're going to be taking a look at SMG4's new video, Super Mario Taxi. So it seems like Mario's going to be playing the role of taxi driver. So that's going to be exciting. And also Miraculous is going to come to an end soon. And from what I've heard, Miraculous Season 4 is probably just going to be coming out either probably in the summer or probably in the fall, which I'm betting it's in the fall. So I need your help, guys. We need to find a brand new show for me to react to because Miraculous has been probably the #1 show I react to on the channel, so I need to find something else to react to other than, you know, SML and SMG4. I need to find a main show to staple the channel up until Miraculous comes back. So, help me guys out with that. So anyways, alright, let's go ahead and get things started. I have no idea what to expect. Hopefully it's funny, just Mario causing mayhem as a taxi driver. So, let's get things started. 3, 2, 1, let's go. SMG4. Already starting off with that taxi. Oh, there's Jeeves.
Thank you so much.
Yep, pay up. What? You wait a minute. Did you not know you had to pay? Yeah. Pretty much.
Okie dokie.
Huh? That? Yeah, that's not real money.
Ooh.
Oh, I know what you're thinking, Mario. Don't do it. But you're probably gonna do it anyways.
I've fallen.
Well, okay. Okie dokie.
That's so nice.
He's not gonna be happy when he can tell there. Well, seems like Luigi's our first customer. Just back it up. Yeah.
Let's go.
Come on, okay. I don't know. I'm surprised you're okay with Mario driving, because. Yep. Yep, you heard right, Luigi. There's someone in the trunk. For Mario, I guess it's easy, but I don't know if I would be okay with Mario behind the wheel. That's fine. Well, no, of course. Wow, Jesus, Mario. Yeah, but please, stop all this. Why? Why would you want to go faster? Jesus Christ. Well, too bad for you. Oh dear.
Thank you. Come again.
Okay. Poor Luigi. Well, at least you got paid. I mean, that's good. Oh dear. Shroomy.
Oh, hey Mario, can you take me to the bank, please?
Okie dokie.
Sure. Okay, so far so good. Red light. Oh, Bowser's doing it as well. Oh dear, I see where this is going. They're gonna go a competition.
Mario? Are you okay?
No, Mario's never okay, I promise me. Oh dear, now it's Super Mario Taxi Kart. Mario Taxi. Here we go, go! Oh, huh. You should have known better not to get in the car with Mario. Wow, that guy's life just sucks right now. Oh, well, we're almost dead this way.
Oh, he's a pretty cool banana.
Banana Peel always mess up people. Or maybe not in the real world, though. Oh, yep, you're screwed. Oh, well, now that did some damage.
Man. Okay,
Oh, you got to your destination. Okay. Well, looks like Mario lost. Of course he did. What's that? Someone robbing a bank? Oh no, it's Yoshi.
I'm gonna do it, bro. I'm
Just pay your taxes, man.
Okay, Yoshi. Are you gonna open a bank account too?
No, he's running away from the cops.
Taxi!
This is a robbery!
Oh, man.
Select the level.
God damn it! You better drive!
Okay,
Oh, but poor Scroomy, poor man. It was a high-speed chase now. I felt like this. I saw this coming. Oh. Yep, 5 stars for them. Oh, dear. Hmm? Oh.
here we go. Hey,
Oh,
Stinky.
bye, Yoshi, I guess. Oh. Yep, real bye.
Let that be a lesson to you.
Mamma mia.
Oh, but I think Mario's gonna get all his loot. Yep. Mario go. Picking up Bob now.
Yo,
Hello. Select the
Where do you need to go?
level.
Africa,
Well,
please.
well,
Say what
why? Why would you want to go there? Oh, okay.
Let's go.
There's no way to get there. Oh, God, he's gonna go in the water, isn't he?
Sir, finish him.
Why is he with Master Chief? Oh, here we go.
Excuse me.
Mm.
Excuse me.
Oh. Oh, okay, that's a thing.
I got a tender date over there.
This is so nice.
Let's just move on. Oh, something's in the water with them.
Get in my belly!
Oh dear. It's gonna be big.
Oh crap!
Oh, they actually got them, huh? Well, they're dead. So sad. Very sad. Oh, no, they're alive. Okay.
Thanks, bro.
No problem. Let's go. La la la. La la la.
Oh no, he's gonna pick up Maggie. Dear. You're actually calling that taxi after what you were just watching, huh? And especially with Mario behind the wheel. I mean, I don't understand how you guys are so okay with this. Oh dear God. No, stop it. No, stop, please. Maybe they're just going in circles. But you're probably just going in circles. But why are you here? Oh, okay. That's what you're doing. Yep, that's understandable. The more you know.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah. McDonald's!
No. Oh,
This. Yeah. Okay, Maggie's okay with it though. It seems like they're having a good time, you know? He's not really messing anything up with this time around. They got some food, they're hanging out, singing songs. Yeah, that's fine.
Ain't nobody got to smoke.
Their car is being towed, man.
Stinky. What are you doing? What's going on here?
Probably
Think you're an
because
OG
of.
now, huh?
Oh,
You a
really?
fool. I'll eat you when I'm done.
Oh my God. Yeah, he kind of is. With the brain.
Let's go.
Why would I do that?
Oh yeah, Mario. Wahoo!
You freak.
No, I think that's more than the one leg. That's all the legs. And how are you
Lord
standing?
have mercy on me.
Okay, I got the car back. But yeah, you lost your legs. How in the world should they be able to drive this time?
Oh yeah, let's go.
Oh.
Wahoo! Yeah!
Well, I guess all day's work. Oh, it looks like Tortor's finally got him. And he's out for revenge.
You'll never take me alive.
No! What? Well, he's dead. Oh, no, he ain't. He is not going down without a fight.
Yo, man, what's up? Fire!
Why are you even there, SMG4?
No, you don't.
Oh dear. I think you're gonna lose this fight, Mario.
This is the part where you run away.
Oh, no!
No. No, that's not a nice voice. That's not a nice face.
Bye.
Well, that was sure fun.
Oh.
Eto, sono lavato, l'abito!
Oh! Was that Toadsworth? Jesus, he's... Oh no, it's G's trying to collect his money again, isn't he? Jesus, a savage.
Lick, lick, lick my balls.
Okay, that was the end of the video. That was okay for a video. It was interesting enough. Sorry I'm not that, enthusiastic like I am usually. I'm just trying to get this done quickly, and I'm just kind of tired from what I was doing yesterday. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.